Hello, sir. My name is Mohammed Aminul Islam. I am 27 years old from Bangladesh. I am a skilled welder. I have experience in TIG and arc welding. I can different position welding and follow safety rules. I am a hard worker and responsible person. ধন্যবাদ. Thank you.
देखने वाले कुत्ता है,